Inspire Institute of Technologies Pakistan is offering you LICQual, Level 1 Award in Risk Assessment. The Level 1 Award in Risk Assessment is designed to provide participants with a fundamental understanding of risk assessment principles and practices. This course equips learners with the necessary skills to identify potential risks, assess their impact, and implement appropriate control measures. Participants will gain essential knowledge to contribute effectively to risk management within their organizations or workplace. Course benefits: develop a solid understanding of risk assessment concepts and terminology, enhance the ability to recognize and evaluate potential hazards in various environments, learn how to implement control measures to mitigate risks effectively, gain confidence in contributing to risk management processes in your organization, acquire a widely recognized qualification that can boost career prospects. Learning outcomes: by the end of the course, participants should be able to define key risk assessment terms and concepts, identify potential hazards and risk factors in different contexts, evaluate the severity and likelihood of identified risks, implement appropriate control measures to reduce or eliminate risks, understand the importance of regular review and update of risk assessments. Entry requirements: there are no specific prerequisites for enrolling in the Level 1 Award in Risk Assessment course. This course is open to all individuals who have an interest in learning about risk assessment practices, regardless of their prior educational or professional background. Study units: Introduction to Risk Assessment, Identifying Hazards and Risks, Risk Assessment Techniques, Implementing Control Measures, Review and Update of Risk Assessments. Future progressions: upon successful completion of the Level 1 Award in Risk Assessment, learners may consider the following progression options: Level 2 Award in Health and Safety in the Workplace, Level 2 Certificate in Risk Assessment, pursuing a career in health and safety management or risk assessment related roles. Admission open. For registration call us on 92-321-505-6755 or WhatsApp us on 92-331-5999937. Visit our website, www.iitpakistan.com.pk, or mail us at info@iitpakistan.com.pk. Make sure to subscribe us on YouTube and follow our Facebook page for more details about other qualifications.